looking to fill your home with a touch of Christmas magic? Imagine the comforting aroma of a cozy winter evening effortlessly enveloping your space. Hi, I'm Shyla from Simply Earth. I'm thrilled to share the night before Christmas Reed Diffuser recipe with you today. This delightful DIY brings the essence of a festive evening into your living room using your trusty essential oil bottle. In this video, you'll see how to craft your Reed Diffuser using your exclusive Diffuser essential oil recipe box. Packed with natural ingredients and essential oils, this box will give you everything you need to create a winter wonderland wherever you decide to place it. Our Diffuser essential oil recipe box simplifies the process, providing all the essentials to create an aromatic masterpiece perfect for any corner of your home. It's a breeze to spread holiday warmth. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. The holiday season can sometimes feel incomplete without the right scents, and synthetic options don't provide that heartfelt warmth. Finding an effective and natural option is essential to evoke the spirit of Christmas. Luckily, discovering a solution that combines ease, aroma, and authentic festive joy is as simple as creating your own. Meet the Night Before Christmas Reed Diffuser. This captivating blend of essential oils embodies the coziest season, consistently releasing enchanting aromas that delight your senses. Set it up and let it transform your home into a holiday haven. Turn off your distractions because making is healing, so let's make this Night Before Christmas Reed Diffuser from Simply Earth. Here's what you'll need for this recipe: 60 drops of pine essential oil, 30 drops of hoe wood essential oil, and 30 drops of vanilla woods essential oil. You'll need your earth and wood diffuser set, 2 teaspoons of Simply Earth's perfumer's alcohol. This ingredient is optional. A 15 milliliter amber glass bottle from Simply Earth's website. Here's how you'll make this recipe. First, you're gonna remove the dropper from a 15 milliliter bottle. Next, you're gonna add your essential oils to the bottle and swirl the essential oils to mix. Fill the bottle the rest of the way with the perfumer's alcohol. Remember, this is optional. Next, you're gonna place the wood cap onto the bottle and add 3 diffuser reeds. To use, set the Reed Diffuser out of the reach of pets and children. Flip the reeds every few hours to naturally scent your home. Adding perfumer's alcohol to the bottle will help the essential oils flow up the reeds better. The earth and wood diffuser set cap will also fit on a 5 milliliter bottle. Don't forget to label it. Let's test it out. I love how this Reed Diffuser sets the scene for the perfect Christmas celebration. The fragrant infusion of festive notes fills my space, evoking cherished memories and comfort. It's genuinely a splendid festive addition. Don't let your home miss out on this aromatic holiday experience. Order your Diffuser essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth and start crafting your Night Before Christmas Reed Diffuser today. I can't wait to see your delightful Reed Diffuser creations. Share your festive setups on social media by tagging From Simply Earth using the hashtag #IMadeThis. Join our hashtag Made This challenge to win a $5 gift card from Simply Earth. Thanks for watching.